and gentlemen, please pay attention to me right now. The celebrant have to dance with the two princesses and the two princes today. You know what I'm saying? We're about to cut the cake right now. I hope you guys actually enjoying yourself today. As you can see, I hope you guys are paying attention to me. She wanna dance and she gonna cut the cake, and I wanna see the big man in the beauty to show the beautiful ladies some love. Please put your hands together for yourself. You know you enjoy yourself, please. Put your hands together one more time. Where is son? Yes. Where is he? Where is he? Now, because the beautiful princess is around and the beautiful sons, you guys get seated. Get seated. Oh, you with me? So get there. You guys should get seated. I'm gonna call the cake, but not now. She wanna dance, and you guys are gonna come outside with some beautiful let's smile. DJ, keep playing the music for one. Just give it like 10 seconds to go. Keep busting the ground. Play the music. Hope you guys are paying attention to me. One time for DJ Zima upon the wheel of steel. I'm gonna shut it down. So DJ, drop it. Drop it. Beautiful princess, let me see you on stage. Papu, you get seated. Guys, you get seated. Let the beautiful people be around me. Yo, DJ, keep turning on for a little bit. Why? Hey. Yes, y'all. Hope you guys are feeling the vibe. Hey. Yes, y'all. Let's go. Hey. Are you feeling the vibe? Are you with me today? Yeah, need to drop it like it's out. Drop it. Because you gotta pay attention, go and get seated. The better people wanna shake this stage. Please get seated, don't fall me down, go back out. Now the beautiful princess wanna come on stage, and she wanna shake the stage. I hope I have some big boys and big ladies in the building, and some big chairman. I know you guys to come on stage too, and shake the stage with her. Yes, please. I said get seated. Ladies and gentlemen, are you with me? Yes, my princess want to come on stage right now. Your princess to me, I want to see you. Papu, come on stage, stand aside. Wahid, come on stage with me. Where is Wahid? Where is the princess? If you know you're feeling yourself, please, I want you to pay attention to see the dance groove right now. With a beautiful mom, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna rock this stage today. And we're gonna shake it and gonna cut the cake. Yo, I call her the princess on stage. Let me see your hands. Papu, you with me? What day? Leave the cake, don't go and cut it. DJ, keep turning up, turn it for a little bit.